Hey, I wanted to give you a quick thought on how you can use this in your home, these devotions, to be able to help build your family and build your children. My pastor had a great statement that said, I do not use my people to build my work. I use my work to build my people. These devotions that you're having can be used to actually build your children and to build leadership in them. So, like we mentioned already, you can have a child every night, have a different one that will pick the song, and they also will lead in prayer. And we've had our little ones do that, and it's sweet and special. But you can also have them teach a lesson. And so give them one of the days, give them one of the topics, give them one of the lessons to read. But not only read it, have them do some extra study, have them add some extra verses to it, have them illustrate it and apply it to the family. Don't let it be a preaching time where they're going to preach what's wrong with all the other kids. That will not work very well. Teach them also that to apply it to themselves first. Any pastor, any teacher, before we preach or teach something, should first apply it to ourselves. Many times I've preached a sermon that I needed myself. I had to preach it to me first and get right on it before I preached it to our people. And so have them do the same thing. Tell them the best way to apply a message is to myself to say, look, I know I needed this. I know I need to work on this. If you have a child that's struggling with a topic, have them teach on that topic. You'll be amazed how it will help them. It's a great statement. I don't know where it came from or if I put it together, but I love it. It says that people will often disagree with what you tell them, but they will never disagree with what they tell themselves. They will often disagree with what you tell them, but they'll never disagree with what they tell themselves. In counseling and with my children and in hard cases, I don't tell people a lot what to do because they usually don't want to hear it. Advice not asked for is seldom heeded and often resented. But if I can ask them the questions that will lead them to the right answer, ding, 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 they got help. They took it from themselves where they may not take it from me. So if they can apply it to themselves first in teaching, that's going to do a great help to them and build in leadership. So just a thought of another way that you can use these to help build your family. God bless.